Okay, it's now 1:15 in the afternoon. Stock market just closed. And last you guys left, Ted was sleeping. So, he's been sleeping all morning. I wonder where he could be now. Surprise, surprise. There is the sleeping cat. There's turkeys up and down Chapel Drive, just having a good old time while the cat just sleeps. They laugh at such a cat that cannot hunt. That is one sleeping cat. He loves his new bed. Just because it was built for him, he thinks he can sleep all day. Well, I'm going to make him clean up his room, clean up Catherine's room and Robert's room, and clean the kitchen. No more lazy cats around here. When the kids are away, the cat must work.